Here are 7 verbs you can use with money. First, learn these verbs with examples. And at the end, test yourself with a quick quiz. Spend money. You can spend money on food and clothes. Save money. You can save money for the future. Earn money. You can earn money by working. Invest money. You can invest money in a business or stocks. Donate money. You can donate money to charity. Exchange money. You can exchange money. Withdraw money. You can withdraw money from an ATM. Which verb means to keep money for the future? A. Spend. B. Save. C. Exchange. If you give money to a charity, what are you doing? A. Donating. B. Withdrawing. C. Investing. What verb do we use when we receive money from a job? A. Withdraw. B. Earn. C. Spend. What verb describes taking money out of a bank or an ATM? A. Withdraw. B. Save. C. Earn. If you put money into a business or stocks to grow it, what are you doing? A. Spending. B. Investing. C. Withdrawing. Great job! Each question was worth 10 points, so your total score is out of 50. How did you do? Let me know your score in the comments.